healthy and happy nails, tips and tricks. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Pink Savvy. I'm so excited for today's topic because we're diving into the world of nail care. Who doesn't want healthy and happy nails, right? Your nails are like tiny canvases, and taking care of them is not just about aesthetics, but it's also about overall well-being. So, let's jump into some fantastic tips and tricks for maintaining those healthy and happy nails. Tip number 1: nail basics. So, first things first, understanding your nail type. Just like we have different skin types, our nails also have unique characteristics. Whether they're brittle, soft, or somewhere in between. Knowing your nail type helps tailor your care routine. Take a moment to observe your nails and their needs. Tip number 2: keep it clean. Now, let's talk about cleanliness. Keeping your nails clean is essential for their health. Regularly clean your nails using a gentle brush, and make sure to get into those nooks and crannies. Clean nails not only look good, but also contribute to a healthy nail bed. A clean canvas is a happy canvas. Tip number 3: moisturize for happiness. Moisturization is the key to happy nails. Just like we moisturize our skin, our nails and cuticles need love too. Find a good moisturizer or cuticle oil and make it a part of your routine. Trust me, your nails will thank you for the extra care. Moisturized nails are strong and resilient, exactly what we want. Tip number 4: healthy habits for strong nails. Now, let's talk about what you put into your body. A balanced diet is not just good for your health, but also for your nails. Ensure you're getting enough nutrients, especially biotin, which is fantastic for nail strength. Don't forget to stay hydrated. It works wonders for your nails and your overall well-being. Tip number 5: nail-friendly lifestyle. Let's talk about lifestyle when it comes to chores. Consider wearing gloves. Protecting your nails from harsh chemicals and water can make a significant difference. And hey, if you're engaging in activities that might be tough on your nails, like gardening or playing sports, take a few extra precautions to keep them in top shape. Tip number 6: nail styling tips. Now, onto the fun part, styling your nails. Choose nail polishes and removers that are gentle on your nails. And here's a quick tip: give your nails a breather between polishes. It helps prevent them from becoming brittle or discolored. And for those inevitable chips, we've got some tips to keep your manicure looking fresh. So, there you have it, a handful of tips and tricks for healthy and happy nails. Remember, it's not just about the looks, it's about the health and well-being of your nails. Try incorporating these tips into your routine, and you'll notice the difference. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have your own nail care tips, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on a Luna home. Until next time, take care and keep those nails fabulous. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fantastic tips. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments. Until then, take care and remember, your nails are fabulous, just like you.